Hold on to your hats, folks, because Palantir Technologies is making headlines again. This time, it's not just a minor update or a small win. We're talking about a major breakthrough that could potentially reshape the company's future and its standing in the tech industry. This time, it's a double whammy of good news. Palantir has managed to secure not one, but two significant milestones that are sure to catch the eye of investors and market analysts alike. First, they snagged a massive $400 million contract with the U.S. Army. This isn't just any contract, it's a testament to Palantir's growing influence and reliability in providing top-notch data analytics and software solutions to one of the most critical sectors in the world. Then, UBS decided to slap an $80 price target on the stock. $80. This is a significant upgrade from previous targets and indicates a strong vote of confidence from one of the leading financial institutions. That's some serious bullishness right there. Investors are buzzing with excitement, and the market is responding positively. This kind of enthusiasm can drive stock prices even higher, creating a ripple effect throughout the investment community. We're talking about a company that's been making waves in the tech world, and now it's got the attention of investors and analysts alike. Palantir's innovative approach to data analytics and its ability to secure high-profile contracts are setting it apart from the competition. I don't know about you, but when I see a company racking up big contracts and getting love from Wall Street, I pay attention. This kind of momentum is hard to ignore, and it often signals that more good news could be on the horizon. This isn't just some flash in the pan. Palantir has been steadily building its reputation and expanding its capabilities. The company's long-term strategy is clearly paying off, and this latest news is just another feather in its cap. Palantir is building something big, and it's time we break down why this matters. From its cutting-edge technology to its strategic partnerships, there's a lot to unpack here. So, buckle up, because we're diving deep into the world of Palantir, data analytics, and what it all means for your portfolio. Whether you're an investor, a tech enthusiast, or just someone curious about the future of data, this is one story you won't want to miss. Now, for those of you who aren't familiar with Palantir, let me give you the lowdown. Palantir Technologies, founded in 2003 by Peter Thiel, Nathan Gettings, Joe Lonsdale, Stephen Cohen, and Alex Karp, has grown into a behemoth in the tech industry. This isn't your typical Silicon Valley startup. While many companies in the Valley focus on consumer-facing products, Palantir has carved out a niche in the enterprise and government sectors. They're not building apps or social media platforms. Instead, they specialize in creating powerful data analytics tools that can process and interpret vast amounts of information. Palantir is in the business of data, and they're really good at it. Their platforms, such as Palantir Gotham and Palantir Foundry, are designed to integrate, manage, and secure data from disparate sources. We're talking about analyzing massive datasets, finding patterns that others miss, and providing actionable insights. This capability is crucial for organizations looking to make data-driven decisions. Their software is used by everyone from intelligence agencies to Fortune 500 companies. These tools help organizations uncover hidden trends, predict future outcomes, and optimize their operations. They help governments track down terrorists, and they help businesses streamline their operations. Palantir's technology has been instrumental in various high-stakes scenarios, from national security to corporate strategy. In a world drowning in data, Palantir is a life raft. Their ability to make sense of complex data sets is what sets them apart from the competition. They make sense of the chaos, and that's a valuable commodity in today's world. As data continues to grow exponentially, the demand for Palantir's expertise and technology is only set to increase. Let's talk about UBS and their eye-popping $80 price target. That's not a number they just threw out there. UBS analyst Lloyd Walmsley, a man who knows his stuff, slapped a buy rating on Palantir. Why? Because he sees the potential. Walmsley believes that Palantir is uniquely positioned to capitalize on the growing demand for data analytics. He sees their government contracts, like the recent one with the U.S. Army, as a sign of things to come. And let's not forget about their commercial business, which is growing steadily. UBS is betting big on Palantir, and they're not alone. Speaking of that U.S. Army contract, let's break down what it means. $400 million is a big deal, even for a company like Palantir. This isn't just about money, though. This contract is a vote of confidence from one of the most powerful institutions in the world. The U.S. Army is entrusting Palantir with its data, its operations, its security. That's a big deal, and it speaks volumes about the trust Palantir has built. This contract could be a game changer for Palantir, opening doors to even more government contracts in the future. And when the government talks, Wall Street listens. Riding the wave Palantir's stock performance. Now let's talk stock performance. Palantir has been on a wild ride, that's for sure. We've seen soaring highs and gut-wrenching lows. But amidst all the volatility, one thing is clear. Palantir is a stock that moves markets. The recent news has definitely given the stock a boost. But some investors are still wary. They're concerned about the company's high valuation and its ability to turn a profit consistently. And let's not forget the competition. Palantir isn't the only player in the data analytics game. Navigating the challenges, valuation, and commercial success. So, what are the challenges facing Palantir? Well, let's address the elephant in the room: valuation. Palantir is not a cheap stock. In fact, some would say it's downright expensive. They're priced for growth, and they need to deliver. They need to justify that hefty valuation with strong earnings and a clear path to profitability. Then there's the matter of commercial success. While Palantir has made great strides in the government sector, they need to prove they can replicate that success in the business world. They need to convince more companies that their data analytics platform is worth the investment. The future is AI opportunities for growth. But let's not get bogged down in the challenges. Palantir has a lot going for it. For starters, they're at the forefront of artificial intelligence. AI is the future, and Palantir knows it. They're investing heavily in AI research and development, and it's already paying off. Their AI-powered platform is becoming more sophisticated by the day, allowing them to analyze even larger and more complex data sets. This is a huge opportunity for Palantir, as they can provide businesses and governments with the insights they need to make better decisions, faster. What's next for Palantir? In this section, we delve into the future prospects of Palantir Technologies, a company that has been making waves in the tech and data analytics industry. You decide. So what's the verdict on Palantir? Is it a company that you should invest in, or is it one to avoid? The decision ultimately lies in your hands, but let's explore some key factors that might influence your choice. Are they a buy, a sell, or a hold? This is the question on every investor's mind. Palantir has shown significant growth and potential, but like any investment, it comes with its own set of risks and rewards. That's for you to decide. You need to weigh the pros and cons, consider the market conditions, and evaluate your own risk tolerance before making a decision. I'm not in the business of giving financial advice. However, I can provide you with the information you need to make an informed decision. Always consult with a financial advisor before making any investment. What I can tell you is this: Palantir is a company with enormous potential. They are at the forefront of data analytics and have been instrumental in providing solutions to complex problems. They're tackling a massive market, they have cutting-edge technology, and their innovative approach sets them apart from many competitors in the industry, and they've got some serious government contracts under their belt. These contracts provide a stable revenue stream and validate their technology's effectiveness, but they also face challenges. Their valuation is high, which means the stock price might be overinflated. This could lead to volatility and potential losses if the market corrects itself. They need to prove their commercial viability, especially in a competitive market where new players are constantly emerging. Their ability to adapt and grow will be crucial for long-term success, and the competition is fierce. Companies like IBM, Microsoft, and other tech giants are also vying for a piece of the data analytics market. Palantir needs to stay ahead of the curve to maintain its edge. It's up to you to weigh the risks and rewards. Consider the potential for growth against the inherent risks of investing in a high-valuation tech company, and decide if Palantir deserves a spot in your portfolio. Diversification is key in any investment strategy, so think about how Palantir fits into your overall financial plan. One thing's for sure though, Palantir is a company that's going to be making headlines for years to come. Their innovative solutions and high-profile contracts ensure they remain in the spotlight. So keep your eyes on the prize, do your research, and invest wisely. Stay informed, stay vigilant, and make decisions that align with your financial goals and risk tolerance.